Alright, it is October 30th, Thursday. I did take 2 trades this morning. They did end up losing. I was trying to go long. But I guess I should have waited for the new week opening gap to get tapped into, which ES just did, so maybe Friday we can look for longs, but it's just been rough at all-time highs. It was only on the combine, so I was comfortable taking 2 trades, but still not trading the Express yet, still kind of waiting for the government shutdown, things to cool off, and honestly just kind of not full pouring, but doing a little heavy size on combines just to try and get more, and 5 possibly Express accounts. So yeah, but other than that, I'm just gonna backtest. I backtested yesterday. I was just so tired, and I think I lost like 2 trades, and I only won 1. And after that, I was just like, just wanted to get off. But we're back now, and we're ready to go. We're juiced up. So let's go to New York Open. And let's see. Could see like an S&T here, possibly. But either way, I'd like to see how we respect / disrespect this 4-hour within the first 30 minutes of open. And we still have this gap down here we've already respected, but yeah. Let's see what we get into here. So we have previous day low. Oh wait, it's not. I thought. Okay. Alright. Got it. And probably a no trade day. We're sitting inside of this gap. Alright, we did just respect it. Inverse the 5-minute. Oh my god. There's the 0 entries there. Okay, well, draw did get hit. But, like, that was horrible. Could go for, I do like this gap tap here. But, again, it's 10. Trade LC for 30 minutes. We would have to get like a 15-minute. Yeah, like, we're just ripping straight up. I don't want to risk entering. Go back to the 4-hour. So it looks like we're definitely going to sweep out these highs. I mean, I would like a trade back into here, but is that going to happen? Probably not. We shall see, though. Oh shoot, we still got 2.5 hours here, so 1, 2. I like that. Let's go into this gap down here, maybe. Instant reject. So we could sweep these lows. We do have news at 9. What is it? Bad. Nothing crazy, just a good red folder news that everyone loves. So, probably gonna wait. Yeah, we're just chopping in this range a little bit. Okay. News must have been good. Wait, does it tell you? Oh. Actual previous. Oh. Well, actually, news was negative, but let's see. So we got a 5-minute inversion. The downside. I didn't really like it though. Like it was, the inversion was right at near the lower. Like I would want to target this. Like I don't really like targeting external too much, especially from a mech like this. And we tapped this gap maybe too, but we left it unmarked. And then I assume we're just gonna kind of slowly chop up or down. So we do end up slowly chopping up. Oh, we're just in a range actually. Okay. So no trades yet. Did get a nice gap tap down here. Definitely still want to target these highs. I don't really like this. There's really no imbalance to target above. There's this gap right here we left unmarked. I do like targeting this 1 hour. It doesn't look like we tapped into it. 15 minutes. We tapped down here before. I would like a long here, but let's see what we end up getting. I have to wait. I sweep this low or just chop. Like this is it's just not a good inversion. I've already respected it 2 times. Barely went lower. Like I would take this as a discretion. And then I would target the unfilled 15 minute I think we had above. Okay, no I wouldn't. Like yeah, like we're about to tap into this 15 minute too. I just don't really like this trade. You could go to like a one to one here. Just kind of pray. It's kind of a smaller trade though. But I don't really like it too much. Wow, so we did tap into the 15 minute. See what we do here. Okay. Go lower than higher. A lot of weird, like, this doesn't really look good. Maybe we tapped it here, but like, I just don't like it. You can maybe take a mech here, but like, I don't know if it's gonna follow my bias. It's probably late too. It's 10:30. I did say I wanted to go into this hourly, but price was just moving too slow. Alright. So these little 10 lines up here. Oh, bad. We got a long way to go. Holy crap. What the heck is going on here? Did we? Okay, so we tapped into this 15-minute gap. So if there was a 1 to 5 minute version, I would take a short here. Which obviously it did smack. But like, yeah, you could take this 1 minute. It's not really my favorite though. Like, we just chop around. I'm literally taking 0 trades. Alright, sweep one and lows or something. Give me some manipulation down. More than that. Bro, like, what is this chop? Like, you know what? I know it's a 5 minute, but I am looking for an inversion already to go to the upside. But, like, normally I'd wait to down here just to play more safe and get a better RR, but like, it seems like this market is literally just respecting everything. And with my luck, this is probably going to fail. But it's just back testing, so let's try it out. Okay. I don't mind us going lower. It's horrible. It's literally every 10, bro. Okay, oh my gosh. Dude, like, I don't love it, but actually, kind of, we're just, it's 10 after main hours. Just gonna go half size. This body, like, if we go lower than this body, we're gonna take out that wick. I am break even. Holy crap. That took forever, bro. Actually took like 6 days for us to get a trade. That's brutal. we're in this gap right now. Should probably move some of this stuff around. Move up here, there. Let me move this. I'm just gonna mark these lows out. But probably wait till I know that we're inversing this gap, and then I want to get a trade to the upside to take out this line I already have drawn out. Well, I mean, we inverse, but goddamn. Gosh darn it, I mean. Like, we're not going to trade down there. So, like, I'm just kind of waiting for a 5-minute gap tap, which we've had twice, but it was at 45. I'm probably just going to wait. Okay, we have a gap tap. I might just go for it, 'cause this is how this market's been acting. Definitely want to play it more safe, but like, you can take this 30-second, because there's just absolutely no way that we don't inverse this gap here. And again, we're just gonna go one contract, because half size, this isn't something I go full size on. So I'd risk like 0.5%. Okay, yeah. It's literally just respecting everything. Like, it's kind of different than how I'm trading right now, because right now you almost have to play more patient. But, yep. I actually have a call in a little bit. I'll be back later. Do some more. Alright. Back like we never left. Ranging towards these highs. There's not really a target after these highs I could see. No, it's just kind of weird. We literally just place downwards. So we're gonna do this, and then this is a big gap. And like, honestly, like, this is probably somewhere near equilibrium. But I won't worry too much about that. Mainly just want to get up to this high right here, or at least take this recent high. Well, actually I have to go to next day open. Okay, same thing. I still am in the uptrend. Alright. Step close. That 1 hour kind of tells a little bit more, but yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Definitely only gonna take a long here unless something significant happens. When people club is on. This seems too easy, but I'm going for it. low hanging fruit here. I'm gonna put it at these lows. I'm gonna start adding to this position though. I want to start trading around the 1,000 or risking around the 1,000 area. 1%. What is a big one? Holy stop on. I love how there was no entry for the trade to actually hit. I was gonna say it seemed too easy. Should have checked. Club is on. Where the people is on. Wait, we want to put this one at the hour. Respect the discount. Don't expect us to respect this and even go to these lows. Except we could see London, like London. It's not a ways away, but like I would almost take the same trade we took yet. Like this was gonna be the exact same scenario, but I really want to take a 30-second. No 2-minute range yet. So we'll see. It's probably just gonna. Might be a 30-second there. Oh. So. And also here's it. So this is actually perfect. PO3 manipulation downward. Quick, healthy inversion is on the 30-second, but again, I was already looking for an inversion. I already wanted to go higher. What did we get? We got the setup. I would just risk one because it is a 30-second, like I have been doing. I don't risk a ton. It looks like it's only going to be a $400 win for me. So I definitely would have put it at these lows, or these highs, and it did play out. But let's see, there might be 2 trades we take. This price action looks kind of good. Yeah, let's go to the next side. Ooh, I was looking for a long. Good thing I got my win and I left. Club is on. Alright, what does the 4-hour look like? What is the higher time frame telling us? Still in that bullish uptrend. We didn't take out these highs though. And could see a start of a downward trend, but I don't know, I might sit on my hands today. We'll see if we get an entry, but it just doesn't look like I would get an entry today, or on this day. I guess I should have waited. Now I check it out. Pretty much the same thing. Do want to go for these lows, but I just don't know how confident I am taking that short after literally since March 23rd. We've been just bullish. Oh wait, Tom. March 13th to basically the end of the month, so I don't know. So London lows looks healthy. It's got 3, almost 4 sets of equal lows, probably on the 15-minute. Just 2, 3. Thought there was going to be a gap here, but I read it wrong. So yeah, let's see. Alright, and we tapped our line. I don't want to go too quick, because I don't want this to shoot up, just in the case it does. But it looks like we're just going down. Tapping into the 5 minutes, so you could look for a short here, but again, like there's a 5-minute here, it's just so discounted, and taking a short position, we don't want to be in a super discounted spot. There could have been one here. I won't put it on my charts, I probably wouldn't have taken it, but like again, you get the scenario and get the way that trading, yeah, like here, this is even it's actually, that's like textbook version. Let's see if we like trade into 5-minute here. I think there's the people. We have the new candle open. Let's see what we got. Alright, go sweep the highs. Is there a 15-minute? There is, but oh wait. So no 15-minute opened. Okay. We're dumping. And where's the 15-minute? So did we end up going back up? We did. Interesting. It's kind of a weird PA. I'm definitely targeting this gap right here. This would be my main target. Just because, I mean, obviously we're in a buy scenario. As of now, I would like to see rejection off of any one of these gaps here. See how this candle closes too, or I guess we still have, yeah, I keep doing it. We still have 1, 2, don't hit it. Or, I mean, inversing it's pretty cool too. Okay, so I'm gonna stick with the inversion. Might go 1 more 5 minutes. We are going lower though, but we'll check it out in a sec. We have these highs right here. Okay. But yeah, let's do this again. Alright, inverse 15-minute, come on, where's that gap? It's just late in the day, but I kind of want to see if this would play out. Oh. Well, actually, how many points is that? Ah, you gotta target these like a man. Let's see. Well, we'll just go to the next way. Wonder if it played out. Well, looks like it, but we'll never know. Actually, I don't think it did. There's a monster wick here. Alright. Got New York session opening. Bam, bam. If we take my draw here, I'm kind of foodled. We should have such clear directions with this. I might just be interested in a half-size sell right here. Break even right here. Barely break even, but it will do. We're going to put it at these highs. I think those highs are going to be protected unless we just So I do want to go break even. And then if we do get stopped out, I could look for another entry down at these lows. But let's just hope we don't. And we got stopped out. And you know what? We would have been fully stopped out. It's a good thing we're protecting capital, because now we can act like it just never happened. It never happened. But if it hits your break even and hits TP, now that's a sucker. That's a sucker for sure. But, you know, we might just climb 200 points. You know what? We just might do it. I guess really 140, but go back to the 5 minute. So yeah, here's my short and we inverse 5. So if we tap back into this 5, I wouldn't mind taking a long to finish my sentence. But like, we're obviously not stopping. Just been going up pretty much every day. Like, I would not be mad if I end up losing this trade. But I might not even enter. No, yep, I'm entering. So I like it right before 10 too, right before the markets, or we're about to hop off. It's actually a pretty small size trade. We're only really going to secure about 24 points. But, I mean, we're now up 24 points, so I'm not really complaining. Just should have sized up a little bit more. I feel like that one loss we had was the one time we were like near the $900 losing. Our risk was $900, I should say. Sorry, it's getting a little late, but risk was $900, and the other ones have been like $500. So TPs have been smaller on the winning trades, but as long as the win rate stays up, and you know, each month I go up maybe a percent or 2%, you know, well, that'll be fine. Jump out at the shows. Alright, obviously super bullish still. Put these here. Honestly, like, this is what I was talking about earlier, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to pull it all up. Like, I guess it's mainly from here to here. Like, from here to here, we don't have any high point really to target. We just have 300 points, or at least 200 points, fair value gap, and displacement, and imbalances. Like, I don't know what to, I mean, I know what to target, but it's going to be harder to trade, I guess, after this, to have more confidence in a long. But, yeah, we'll see when the market opens. Shouldn't really be on the 4 hour now, should I? Yeah, I want to sweep a low. Holy chopperoo. did just create a tiny 15-minute. If we weren't creating a 15-minute here, I would possibly look for an inversion to the upside, but we are, so I could see some manipulation down into this 15-minute. Looks like we don't get it, but honestly, that's whatever. I'd rather not lose than anything else. And it's already noon. So we'll go on to the next day. Blackhawks game starts soon, so I'm gonna have to watch that. They're hot, bro. Blackhawks are hot. The Blackhawks are winning the Stanley Cup in 20. I don't know why I'm looking at my phone. 2030, 2031 season. 2030, 2031, the Hawks will win a cup. Say it right here. Calling it. 2030, 2031. 5 years away. That's beautiful. I'll look for a long here on this day. If we don't get it, hop off. But I do like how we just instantly respected that 4 hour. I guess we're still in the 4 hour. So I guess we'll see, but I would like to see some displacement to the upside and then take a continuation long. So, version there. I wouldn't take a 30-second off of a 5-minute unless I was absolutely sure. It's a little bit not early, but yeah. I honestly did sweep it low or something. Did inverse the 4 hour. Did sweep that low. And there's just no good inversion though. No good entry. Same thing here. We're just kind of chopping this Monday. Okay, we sweep it low. 5-minute. 4 hour looks good. Oh. I'm dumb. I need to get off. But I'm gonna take this inversion. It's after 10, so I don't really like it as much. I'm just gonna make sure there's not a 15-minute. Yeah, I mean, I could see this going up, but because there's a 15-minute here, I'll just go break even so early. But I'm gonna see what would have happened had we get a 1-to-1. Put it out on the candle, 1-to-1. I'm gonna watch the 15-minute too. Let's see. So we tapped into the 15-minute, and then we just go lower. Oh, still in it. Okay, so we do hit TP, but holy, that would have been a roller coaster. And I probably would have gone break even. But I'm gonna go turn on the Hawks game and maybe backtest later. So, yep, peace. Alright, it's intermission right now, so figured I'd get a couple more trades in. See, so yeah, we're still in this bullish uptrend. Next target's all the way up there, 300 points away, 350 even. So, not necessarily sad about a short, but again, we're still respecting 4 hour. We have to go to the open, so let's see. Yeah, perfect. So we're still respecting this 4 hour. We're going up further. Let's see what bang bang. Oh, maybe that's not very good. Let's see. Let's see. Could actually. So when market opens. Oh. I'm gonna say there's an SMT here. 100% there's an SMT here. So ES for sure took out this. Oh. Oh, yo, I'm tripping. So we could have taken this long, probably. We could have taken this 4-minute here, actually. We didn't go too far ahead, so I'm gonna take it. We're gonna go up. We're gonna take out this low-hanging fruit here. Stop loss at the base. And we're going to target a 1-to-1, so we're going to have to go up a little bit more, and then honestly, just pray we go 3 points higher. But let's see how this turns out. So we know it goes up here. 15-minute chart. Looks solid. I'm a little concerned about just at the very top, but oh. Well, actually, I'm not concerned at all. Alright, well, there we go. On to the next day. So, let's do that. Bang, bang. Bang. 4 hours, so we're back in this gap. Honestly, I expected no trade day, but let's see. We still have this unmitigated gap down here that we could go down to. I want to make sure we get the top of that. Yep. But yeah, not really too excited about this, but let's see. Okay, so we just want to go lower. I don't really feel too comfortable shorting. It's like unless we go back up here, but like I kind of already missed the chance to. Yeah, we didn't even retrace into a 5-minute. Okay. Literally, unless I get a short here, I'm getting off. So let's go. Yeah, like. Do a 1 to 3. Go half size. Not really half size, but 0.5%. Yeah, 0.5%. That's all we could lose. Okay, I want to go break even. Going break even. Oh, I'm gonna secure some profit here, just $100. What? I shouldn't have done that. Oh well, we still got edged. No way. We would have. Well, I actually would have gone break even. We got edged by probably just my fault from drawing the gap wrong. But we didn't lose. So, as you can see, a smile is on my face. Alright, so we ended up wicking in here. Now have this gap right here. Move that. Now we got this gap here. Respected the gap down here. Shebang. Shebang. Let's see how much time left till the hockey game starts back up again. 8 minutes. So let's see what we get. Oh, what? Oh. Oh. So premium. Yeah, looks like a no. Oh shoot. Yeah, we're. I like that. Okay, there is a 3 minute. I'm guessing there's not a 4 minute. Don't go too high. Stay right there. Like 20 points. Do I really want to trade for 20 points? Not really. We're gonna do it. Oh my gosh. I should have put it at the well. What was that? What was this line? Bro, what am I doing? Should have put it at the wick, and I should have targeted these highs, which are gonna get hit. Bang. I'm retarded. I'm retarded. It could have been literally another winning trade. Alright, I'm gonna do another gap here. Still respecting this gap. We did finally go lower though. So I would like to see displacement from here to higher and inversing the gap in the last 30 minutes of the 4-hour leg. So let's see if we do that, or if we just chop around at the top here like we've been doing. Why is it 5 p.m.? What button did I click? the next day. God. Yucky. Yucky price action. This is more bullish than bearish. This looks yucky. I'm an idiot. Alright, now it's 8:30. Market open. Tap into here. Unfilled 5-minute. Ooh. It's kind of clean. Ah, it's all jammed up. Probably wouldn't have taken it just because of all these gaps. Long here. I just want to see, but I'm not taking it. Yeah. Alright, well, back to the Blackhawks game, but... Alright, the Blackhawks suck, but we'll get back to it. So, we gotta go 2 hours to market open. Then we gotta go 30 minutes. And then let's go to 4 hour. Alright, so we have these sides here. We got these sides. Still on that bullish uptrend. I mean, there should be really no reason we go down here. Actually, I might get rid of this gap. Just use the hourly. Yeah, I like this hourly gap right here. Okay, we took out the lows. First 5 minutes, I probably would only take a minute, yeah. Not really a good. We need to go here, it just seems too easy. Like, I kind of want to go for this. I mean, honestly, if we fail, we fail. I'll just re-enter, because I think my bias is right. We'll just have an early break even. And again, we're just going to go to a 1-to-1. I am just a little concerned how early this is in the day. But yeah, there's just a lot of manipulation. It's not as clean. Like, okay, here we go. Now we've hit the gap. Now we had our inverse. And it's might be it's gonna be a 3-minute. Okay, did I get in that way? Oh my gosh. Why are we chopping around? Ugh. This looks disgusting. Really good. It's all pretty much the same time. I'd like to say we're going higher. I'm gonna take this inverse. I'm gonna ride it back up to here and try and trail my stop loss. Again. So if we lose, we only lose 1% of the account today. but I really want to see break through these highs or early break even. But again, like, we need to respect this gap right here. If we don't, I'm getting scared. Like, I'm getting stopped out. 100%. Is my draw wrong? Bro, we don't displace anywhere. We just chop slowly down and then chop flat and then slowly chop up. That's brutal. And we're zoomed in, like, this is a Tuesday as well. Like, bro, this was the market today. And right up to here, it didn't look too bad. It just looked like low resistance liquidity. But then once we kept moving, I was like, holy crap. These were terrible conditions to trade in. And of course, I traded in them. Oh, bang. There we go. Alright, so we take out this target, which I don't like at all. I don't know how bullish I'm going to be. I'd like to see an inverse on this gap and then a continuation long. But again, like, we're just chopping around. There's a lot of manipulation here. Like, if you zoom out, like, we're not displacing upwards. Kind of just stopped. And it was like I said a little bit ago too. How whenever we hit that certain high, that it's just fair value gaps, and it might be a slow rise up or whatever the hell I said. But I'm really looking to inverse this 5-minute gap. Okay, well, we're just sweeping data lows. And we want to go to an unfilled 5-minute. So I'm gonna go like this looks. We're in an unfilled 5-minute. This PA is tiny. Oh, we're finally displacing. Okay. Oh my gosh, no. And 2024 is just not my year, I guess, so far. Still have this gap. I guess now we have that highs. We're just like slowly chopping down. Like I think I've mainly been only buying, but I mean, I guess that's for a reason. But like now it's just kind of being stupid. I wouldn't mind a Oh, what is that? Oh my gosh. What the fuck was that? Oh. Oh, too premium. Oh my god. Ugh. What is this price action? Oh my god, bro. I'm gonna commit fraud. It's horrible. think we're displacing higher. We have two gaps. One above, one below. Be more so like continuation long. Actually, I can see us coming down here and going higher, but continuation long, like I said, and we didn't drop down once. Just go straight down. I don't want to long here. Oh, I could take a mech. Yeah, just I mean, how many trades have I taken? How many trades have I taken this month? Dude, like, that's horrible. 19 winners. Ugh. Yeah, that hurts a lot. What day is it in this? It's the 17th. What is this? Bro, I know I'm just complaining, but like, brother. Oh my gosh. There's an SMT here that's good. But like, this is some of the worst PA I've ever seen. I don't like what are these candles? Why? How the fuck do I mount up? So basically like a week without trading. That's cool. Maybe longer. No way. No way. We're displacing higher. We're not chopping. It's crazy. It's crazy. Bro, take out this low. Oh my gosh. How do you even... It said nah, bro. It actually just said nah. I want to go back to chopping. Alright, no fun. gosh, bro. This is horrible. This is actually horrible. It's actually the worst market conditions. Like I might just not trade. There's no draw. Like I can target these imbalances, but I don't really like targeting. Like, dude, I don't know which way it's gonna go. Just generating liquidity on both sides and sweeping it back and forth. Actually, we're sweeping these lows. Alright, let's get into it. We're gonna short at this high. Take it out. Just follow the trend. Next short. If we even hit it, it's kind of a long ways away. Oh yeah, we're not gonna hit it. No. Please. Bang. Bang, bang, bang. I guess we can do a couple more. Like, bro, I want to get out of this price action. Oh, what a perfect short. What a perfect short. We're just gonna have to I can use the hourly, I guess. It's a nice unfilled hourly. What the Star Spangled Banner? No, don't take a mile with that. Respect it. Go up. Go up. Go up. Go up. Tap. There must be an SMT there. There has to be, right? There, like, has to be. But if there wasn't an SMT there, take the short right about here. Okay. I'm gonna go down here. Actually, I'll wait. No way. No freaking way. Dude. Did. Why are we going up here? Bro, I just got... Dude, the fucking Jews got me. God damn it. Would you look at that? The low got taken out. Alright. Gosh, the Blackhawks. They're terrible. Okay. Okay. Oh yeah, we're going in shorts. Just give me a little... It's not good enough. Still not good enough. Come on, that's good enough. Alright, respected. Chopping. Respected it twice, so I'm not taking it because why would we? Oh, why are we just chopping? SBA sucks. Am I cursed? Like, it's so premium and it's just a 5 minute. Like, I like doing that, but it needs to be a little bit better than that. Like, I might as well just, like, we're obviously taking out this high right here. I might as well just secure a payout. Alright, well, we're gonna be off by $20. So it's like a 0.9. Alright, yeah, I mean, knew it was going up there, but like, we could have had a much better trade though. I guess we're just moving a little bit differently. It says 2023. I don't remember too much, but I mean, as long as we're staying profitable, why would I complain? But yeah, so that brings us to 63% win rate, so hopefully we can get that up to like a 68 plus. Tuesday, which was my best day by far, is my only down day. So that changed a little bit. This just looks insane. Holy schmoly. Yeah, that's crazy. I mean, ever since March, it's been a little bit better, but not as many trades, less trades. Not always a bad thing, though, but whatever. Maybe I'll do some more, but probably post the journaling from yesterday as well in here, but we'll see. We'll see.
The analysis.
So Nick Foligno's birthday, and I think he wins his best costume at the Halloween party for the Hawks. There were lots of good ones, but Foligno going as Philadelphia Eagles head coach Nick Sirianni is the winner for my mind. He's a 10-ringer.
I don't know how you could argue with that one, but I like the old 6-7 thing. I'm still trying to figure out what the 6-7 thing means.
Nobody knows what it means.
Kaylee Chelios is trying to help me explain what that means, but those Halloween parties were always the best time of the year for the players, at least when I played. We all look forward to them, and they all, as you saw in that picture, they go all out. There's no guys skimming. That they go find the best costumes possible and have a great night.
Yeah, back in the day when I was a kid, you cut a couple of holes in an old sheet and goes a ghost.
There you go.
Not anymore.
Not anymore.
Just past the 6-minute mark of the third. Lemshinov circles. When did Halloween become such a big thing in terms of decorations, too? It's like a second Christmas now. Everybody's got those gigantic skeletons in their front yards.
When we get off the plane yesterday in Winnipeg, and as we pulled out of the bus there, that first street, it was about every house had some unique decoration. Like you said, they're big. Looked pretty expensive to me, lots of those.
Stick a moldy pumpkin with a candle in her front porch back in the day. There's Teravainen into the zone. He's got the only Hawks goal. Jets able to get it ahead and work it out to center. Knocked down by Kaiser. Ahead to Teravainen. Swings it across to Bedard. Here's Bedard. Shoots, and a blocker save by Hellebuck. Comes around towards Murphy. Bumped by Niederreiter, and it slides back to the Hawk zone. Quick up to Bedard. Check to the line. Teams see each other 4 times this season. Pass finds its way back to DeMello, and it's fought off by Spencer Knight. Next meeting will be in Chicago on January 19th. Jonathan Kay's return to United Center. Murphy plays it across. Long feed up to Burakovsky. Dropped off to Bedard. Nice pass to Vlasic. Fed over, and it's off the post. Puck bounced high. That was Ryan Green on that nice passing play that caught Irons. Tried to tuck it in, sharp angle.
That was a beautiful play. It started with a backhander by Connor Bedard and ended up with a one-timer off the post.
This line of Green, Bedard, and Burakovsky's had some chemistry tonight, Tony.
It sure has, and you wondered, when Green was put up there, a rookie that hasn't had a whole lot of experience in the NHL, what he was going to add, but just consistency. Goes up and down his wing, jumps in on faceoffs when he needs to, and been at the net front as well, and he's made some really nice plays. He missed that breakaway, actually, with the score 1-1 in the first period. He had a nice chance, went backhand, and a blocker save that Hellebuck made was a big part of the game.
Nice little passing on that last chance for this group. Here's Bedard's chance first. Little pull in and blocker save by Hellebuck, and then some tic-tac-toe passing here, Tony.
I mean, look at this one. Behind the back, cross ice, tape to tape, and another backhand pass by Vlasic, who joined the play, and the one-timer by Green just catches the post. But good job by Alex Vlasic, knowing and recognizing, jump up in the play. As a forward, you always want your D to come up there and be an option. And certainly Connor found him and made a nice play. And almost got the Blackhawks their second goal of the game.
There's a pass to Teravainen, and he'll feed it over to Rinzel. Hawks try to keep the pressure on and cut this to a 2-goal game. Rinzel trying to tuck it in, stopped by Hellebuck. Bertuzzi. Puck comes free. Teravainen back now to Kaiser. Here's Sam Rinzel with a shot, and that was blocked off the leg of Shen. Bounced right over to Connor, and away goes Scheifele with a bit of room and a shot, and a blocker save by Knight off Scheifele. Rebound swatted out to center ice. Stanley ahead to Connor. Locked it in deep. Kaiser. Nice play to Nazar, and away he goes with Teravainen at center. Foligno joins late. Nazar swings in wide. Pushed to the boards by Pion. And the Hawks have to regroup. Levshinov plays it in. Chicago finishing off a change now. Logan Stanley back on the puck. Swept into the zone by Cole Koepke. And it winds up going out of play with 10:08 to go in the third period.
And the Blackhawks giving a little bit of a push offensively here as Rinzel's down. He tries a little jam play. Bertuzzi gets the rebound, just pokes it wide. But with the Velarde and Scheifele and Connor line out there, they are quick to counter. They don't mind playing in their own end, and they just wait for a little bit of a turnover, and they get on their horses fast and create a lot off of that quick transition game. There is Mark Scheifele.
Doc back to the puck off the draw, then Hawks lifted out. Carried back in by DeMello. There's Taves. Got 5 shots in the game. Puck back to the line, off the post. Where is it? In the net. Goal post, off Knight, and in. And the Jets make it 5-1.
Kind of one of those nights for Spencer Knight. Even when you play it well, a puck hits the post, bounces off of your foot, and goes into the net. Gets the Winnipeg Jets their 5th goal of the night. I believe Jonathan Toews will get the 2nd assist on this goal, but doesn't pick it up from the point, ends up hitting the post and bouncing off the back of his leg and into the net.
Morrissey gets his first of the season. DeMello and Taves, as you mentioned, with the second helper. And the Hawks down by 4. Burakovsky's pass finds its way back to Cormier with a shot that's turned away by Hellebuck. Barron brings it out for Winnipeg. Gains the line. Feeds it back to the line to Pion. Logan Stanley with a shot. Hit traffic in front. Connor Bedard hassled. Kaiser flips it ahead and winds up out at center ice. Here's Connor on the attack with Scheifele, who takes the pass. Scheifele shoots, and that goes wide. Nazar steals the puck from Kyle Connor and takes off. Has Bertuzzi with him. Nazar checked. Velarde steals. Grzelcyk bats the puck away from him. 8.5 left in the third period. Scheifele's pass off Nazar's stick into the bench. Josh Morrissey's first. Post, foot, in. 5-1 Winnipeg.
Big news! DraftKings Sportsbook is coming to Missouri. You'll be so dialed in to every play that you forget to eat your wings.
DraftKings Sportsbook is coming soon to Missouri. New customers get $300 in bonus bets when you bet $5 once we're live.
Will he need his own savings, or can we add to what we already have?
Have I saved enough for a down payment? Or do I need to wait?
Wait a second, Mom. Look, I'm doing pretty well money-wise. Isn't it time that you let me take care of you?
Life is unpredictable, but you don't have to face your questions alone. For nearly 160 years, we've been helping people find the answers that matter. Commerce Bank. Challenge accepted.
For years, everyone thought Verizon had the best network, because they did. But now the best mobile network in the U.S. is T-Mobile. Some fancy experts finished a network test and T-Mobile sort of opened a can of whoop up. T-Mobile's network has the most advanced 5G, with more towers, and their signal reaches further than ever. So you can text and Insta-talk and say, "You won't believe where I am." Seriously, where am I? Hey, I got signal.
The jersey to celebrate our 100-year legacy in style. Don't wait, you can grab yours today in stores or online at cbhshop.com. First game of 6, longest road trip of the season, and let's map it out, Tony. Starts in Winnipeg, Edmonton.
Back into the United States in Seattle.
Back into Canada, Vancouver. Back to Calgary and back to the U.S.
And we're going to go way to the East Coast to finish this one off. We're going all over the place, aren't we?
6 games, 11 days, 4,381 miles.
Holy cow, that's a lot of air miles.
We'll bring a lot of pairs of socks on this trip. 8.5 left in the third period of this one. Doc on the attack. Cuts in deep. Trying to play it in front. Cut off by Hellebuck. Tanner Pearson. Pressure by Slager. He gets it back to the line to Grizzly. Levshon.
Alright. It's been a second, but back to some back testing. I had to sadly deal with some school shit and actually study, which sucks. We have market open. We're not at market open. Let's go to market open. So I mean, we're definitely in a bullish trend. We did kind of break the trend a little bit here, but more bullish than bearish, that's for sure. Or more bearish than bullish. We've been very bearish, I should say. Look at that. I'm kind of just looking for maybe a sweep of London highs. Or a continuation. Well. Yeah, didn't really get any entries for anything. Just kind of gotta go the next day. Gap. We have 2 gaps. 3 gaps even. Sweep or tap into here and then go lower. The ideal. We even tapped into that one barely. Oh, I got the hiccups. I think I'm gonna take this 3 minutes short. Forget the contract size I've been doing. Let's go 3, I guess. Also, 1 contract. Yeah, risking a little over 1%. It's kind of not what you want to risk, but. Okay. Break even here just because we already had a retest, but I feel like we're gonna get stopped to break even. Okay. Yeah. Good thing we did. Saving the trade. Oh. We could maybe go for this again. So we have a resweep. And I still want to think. I'm gonna go lower. So. Oops. It's not really an entry. Or we can just chop right here, I guess. Kind of like how what the market's doing now. Alright, we are switching to bullish a little bit here. Probably up until we take out these highs. I got these highs too. Got 30 more minutes. Probably not gonna sweep London lows. Gonna make pretty far down, but continuation could be the play. Yeah, we're just kinda gonna leave it at this. See what we're going out. I really want to take this high right here. So we're 15 minutes. Like, I mean, I probably wouldn't have traded that. It's just not strong. Like, these lows would have been nice. So that kind of sucks. We have both targets. I just... Come on, tap into this 4-hour gap down below. Oh. I'm trying to get like a safe trade like I normally would. I mean, that London lows could be cool. But like, are we just gonna rip up? Really taking no trades yet. I had a shift in structure a little bit. Ooh. Swept out these. Yeah, I'll just leave them. This sideways ass price action. I'm more bearish until we kind of hit this gap. Yeah, a little bit more bearish till we hit this gap. Ready to just see some. Oh my gosh. Oh, bro. Owl speaks. Oh, I didn't even move. We just had that 1 5-minute candle. And just chopped. Literally taking no trades. This is ass. Alright, I'm gonna take out these lows. Oh, I didn't realize how fast I went. I feel like I'd go half size here for a short. Don't want to risk too much. Yeah, I don't want to risk too much, but we're gonna go with it. Just went down a bit, but what do we do from here? Okay, so we did go longer. So we're gonna put it at the swing long. Oh, this ain't good. That's not good. Wait. Am I tripping? Didn't I just do this today? Did I back up? Why am I? Did he just testify 2 days in a row? Am I stupid? Okay, alright, I thought I was tripping, bro. I'm 1 for 1 right now. Kind of just in a ginormous gap right now. Couldn't tell you if we wanted to go higher or lower. Kind of want to break out of this range. But we will see what market brings us. Looks like there was no's, yeah. Okay, maybe a continuation. Another 15. like 2,000. Oh jeez, I'm going for like 100 points there. Go half size because this is a big trade. Big trade. Probably go back 5 minutes. Oh. Oh, just slow downward trend. Why did we just fall? That's so weird. Because we inverse the gap too. Thought for sure we'd go up here. Not my favorite month. Alright. Give me a short. No, I want a short. Brother, there is zero entry. Literally my draw got hit in the first 20 minutes without even giving an entry. Alright, well, we're going lower. False spread out. I hate it. I hate that right there. It's so stupid. Yeah, that would be off the charts. This is horrible. And now we're bullish. Come on, give me an entry. Like, I don't really want to enter off just a 5 minute. Especially like a 15-minute gap is opening right now. Like, obviously, but I'm pissed off. Like, the draw is right 99% of the time. just can't get in the fucking market. Oh my lord. Respect. Come on, give me an entry. No way. No way. What the fuck? Dude, like this is almost so obvious. Dude, no way. Dude, like I don't even care. Let's just grab this low hanging fruit right here so we know it goes up one. Okay, well, that's a big candle. I was looking for an entry to go upward since like here. Oh my gosh. I need to go to bed, bro. I need to get off. I'm done with this.